Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Frank Can Do It. If I can do it, so can you. Today we will eat two different delicious versions of Mexican elote corn. This dish has a crisp, sweet taste from the corn with a buttery, creamy flavor accented by the cheese and mild spice. Mexicans have some of the most amazing foods. A lot of them you cannot find at many Mexican American restaurants. This was one of my favorite Mexican side dishes when I lived in California. You normally could find them at Mexican outdoor markets, fairs, and barbecues. Elote is a Spanish word for corn on the cob. This has become one of my kids' favorite barbecue side dishes. The recipe I have for you today is simple, easy, and most importantly, delicious. Alright, get ready to take a screenshot of the ingredients. All you will need is corn on the cob, cotija cheese, spray or melted butter, mayonnaise, Tajín spice or chili powder, and optional skewer or chopsticks. Unlike other videos that only show you how to make something, I will show you where and what to buy. One of the gotta get items is a cotija cheese. You have to have this cheese or the recipe will not work. You can find it at most supermarkets like Winco. Another gotta get item is Tajín. This can be found at most supermarket chains. It can be found in the Hispanic food section. Okay, first thing we're going to do is grate the cheese. Keep in mind there may be a little bit of moisture in the package, so drain it before starting to grate. Cotija cheese has the characteristics of a Parmesan and a feta cheese. Don't let its smell turn you off from its great flavor. Keep in mind it's pretty crumbly when you're grating the cheese. To decrease the amount of waste, I like to vacuum seal the cheese in portions that I can use easily later. Not only for this dish, but for another dish I have called Korean corn cheese. Next, we're going to cook the corn. If you choose to boil the corn, make sure to bring the water to a boil. Then boil for 7 minutes. I normally like to barbecue my corn. So if you barbecue your corn, keep the husk on and rotate it every few minutes. This will prevent the corn from burning or getting charred. This goes the same for if you boil the corn. Make sure all of the corn are cooked evenly. Next, we're going to prepare the delicious dressing. First, we're going to set the base with a good layer of mayonnaise. Second, you're going to put a light layer of the cotija cheese. Because of the robust flavor, I recommend that you go with the light layer first and then add more after you have tried the dish. And then finally, sprinkle a little amount of the Tajín. Tajín is a mix of chili powder and a sharp lime flavor. So it's best to start with just a little, and after you have tried the dish, add more according to your taste. Now we're ready to complete the elote. In this first version of the elote, I will show you how I prepare it. I like to cut my corn into 4 sections. This not only makes it easier to eat, but allows you to serve more people all at once. Next, you're going to put a good amount of spray butter or apply melted butter. Then simply roll the corn in the dressing like a wheel. Make sure you get a nice thick layer of all the delicious ingredients. Again, cutting them into sections makes it a lot easier to eat and allows you to serve them piping hot to more people. Next, I'm going to show you how to make the authentic version of this elote. In this version, instead of cutting the corn, you're going to use a skewer or chopstick and stick it at the base of the corn. Then you're either going to use spray butter or lather melted butter all over the corn. Make sure you put a good amount on. Then you want to lather a nice coat of mayonnaise. Next, you want to coat it with some cotija cheese. Again, if this is the first time you're eating this dish, apply a light coat first. Last but not least, in this version, you're going to sprinkle some chili powder. This is also very good with some hot sauce, like Valentina or Tapatio. Even after eating a full dinner, this guy can eat 4 to 10 of these. The Korean word of the day is gosohada, which means creamy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and would like to see more simple, easy, delicious dishes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.